Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your PCM fuse and PCM relay and TCM fuses are located on this 2011 Dodge Journey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we need to do is pop our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So you're going to lift on this tab and this tab. There is a diagram on the back side of here. We'll start with the PCM and TCM relay. It is this relay right here. And then this 25 amp fuse is for your PCM and TCM right here. That's a 25 amp fuse. Then we have this 10 amp fuse right here is for your TCM. And then we've got this 10 amp fuse right here. This one is for your PCM right here. I will have some of these fuses linked down below where you can get them online. They're a little bit different than the standard mini fuse. So again, we've got the PCM, TCM relay, 25 amp PCM, TCM fuse, your TCM 10 amp fuse right here, and then this 10 amp PCM fuse right here. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.